guys, it's Vaughn. I am so excited today to be coming back and making a video for you guys. I'm always excited about my favorites unboxing videos, so that's what this is. We're going to be unboxing my September box. Super exciting, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. This is what my September box looks like, you guys. I love the design. Faves by Miss Vaughn. If you guys are not familiar with my favorites box, it is a bi-monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription box curated by yours truly. So every other month you can expect to get a box like this right at your doorstep that ships for free, containing beauty, hair care, vegan snacks, healthy lifestyle stuff, pretty much all things Miss Vaughn that can fit in a box. And also every other month I do an unboxing video like this one where I just kind of open the box, share with you guys what's inside, and kind of chat a little bit about why I included those items. So the purpose of these types of videos is to share with you guys in the excitement of your box, and also to inform you guys who are not subscribed what you're missing. If you have not already subscribed to my subscription box, you guys, definitely check it out. I'll put the link below. My box is only $39.99 and ships absolutely for free, and you get a ton of quality items, usually around the $100 value mark, which I think is actually pretty good for a subscription box. So I want to give a shout out to all of the brands who partnered with me on September. This was a really exciting box. I love what's inside, so let's go ahead and dig in. So inside my September box, you guys, it's going to be all things fabulous and fall. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. I've got all the little tissue paper in there, and then I've got a nice little card right on top. Inside this envelope, you guys, is always going to be whatever inserts come with this box. So it's going to be a description of all of the products in there. That way you can make sure that nothing got left out of your box. So it's kind of like a quality control thing, which I think is great. You guys, I'm really big on customer service, so I'm always gonna put that first in everything I do. And then there's always like a little thank you note. Sometimes there's a picture of me, you know what I'm saying? And just an overall, you know, summary of what you can expect from your box. I always like to put those types of inserts in there just to kind of set the tone for the box. I think that's always really fun. And I also always include the value of every item so that you guys know what you're getting. So in this month's box, you guys got all full-size products, which is mostly what happens with my boxes. Every now and then there's a sample or two, but for the most part, the boxes are extra heavy and filled to capacity with full-size products. You guys, this box was so fun this time. Oh my gosh, with all of the cozy chill vibes. I just love it. We're going to start off with the first item that I'm gonna pull out, you guys, and this is the Tampax Pure and Clean tampons. This is a new product, probably the newest thing in the box. These are tampons by the Tampax brand, which have an applicator that is 90% plant-based. It's free of dyes and fragrances, and free of chlorine bleaching. And the core of this tampon is 100% pure cotton. These tampons are unscented, and they are everything that you would be looking for in a tampon that is a little bit more on the natural side. So it's definitely a great alternative. What I love most about these tampons and why I wanted to include them in this box is because I wanted you guys to try them out, and I wanted you to really get a feel for a tampon that'll give you a little bit more without charging you an arm and a leg. I know that there are a lot of all natural tampons out there that cost a fortune and they ship from across the world and all that. I wanted to show you guys something that you can get from your local Target store. And although these tampons have more thoughtfully sourced ingredients, they have the same leak guard protection that all of the Tampax tampons have. So you don't have to compromise materials for quality. So I love these, you guys. I'm a huge user of these tampons, and I wanted to share them with you. Guys, this is something really, really fun that I wanted to include in here because I feel like with fall approaching, activities are kind of transitioning more to being indoor related. So I wanted to give you guys something fun that you can have at home to entertain yourself or your friends. So I wanted to include this Martin trivia game from Zumble. You guys, this is so much fun. I have played with these trivia cards with my friends before, and people just absolutely love it. Zumble makes a variety of different trivia games for the culture, right? So Black millennials who grew up in the 90s, everything from sitcoms to music to just overall culture trivia, they have it. I wanted to choose the Martin one because that's one of the most funniest shows ever created on network TV, you guys. So I had to include the Martin trivia. You guys are absolutely going to enjoy this. If you want to check out what other variety this brand carries, make sure that you go to the website. I got links below to all this stuff. Girl, your next game night is about to be lit. Ooh, okay. So the next item that I'm going to pull out is this really big notebook. It's a really good size. I wanted to include a notebook like this, you guys, because I know that a lot of my subscribers out there are grown women. You guys have a lot on your plate, you got a lot of responsibilities, and having something like this to help you organize your life is going to be hugely helpful. If you're anything like me, if you don't write it down, it doesn't exist. If I do not write stuff down, you guys, I will not get it done. I have little notebooks like this to represent every phase of my life, you guys, so notebooks are huge, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, let's see what else we have in here, you guys. So much stuff. Okay, this is one of my favorite items, you guys. This is a Blom headband that you guys are all gonna get. The color that I chose to include in this month's box is kind of like a taupe color, but I wanted to include a really easy hair accessory for you guys because with your busy lifestyle, you want your hair to be cute, but you don't want to put a whole lot of time and effort into it because you got other things to do. So I wanted to include an easy hair accessory that all you have to do is throw on and style your hair around it. And it's also a really flexible hair accessory, and there is a little styling card inside to kind of show you the different ways that you can wear it. So it's super flexible and versatile. It's a one-size-fits-all scenario, and I think you guys will really like it. And there's also a coupon right inside the packaging here for you to get 20% off your next purchase. Next, I have body products. Gotta have body products going into the fall. So these ones are coming to you guys straight from the Eden Body Works kitchen, okay? One of my favorite brands when it comes to body products because they absolutely get it when it comes to pigmented, melanated skin. It's all about moisture. That's the name of the game for these Eden Body Works products. So what you guys are getting from Eden Body Works this time is 2 full 8-ounce sizes. You're getting the Coconut Shea and Vitamin E Body Wash and the Coconut Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion. Both of these are super good at smoothing and hydrating your skin. I especially love using these in the bathtub. I'm kind of a multi-purpose girl, so what I'll do is use the body wash as a bubble bath, and I'll also use it to cleanse my skin. So I feel like I'm getting like a double dose of the products, and it actually works well either way. I love products that have like a double dual function to it. It's really awesome. And this lotion, of course, you guys, I slather my body with it from head to toe when I get out of the tub or out of the shower. You guys can stock up on these Eden Body Works Coconut Shea and Vitamin E products at select Target stores, or starting in October, they'll be available at Target.com or EdenBodyWorks.com. Right, what else do we have down in here, you guys? We are not done yet, there is more. Okay, now let's talk about hair a little bit, all right? So I wanted to get you guys a good oil for your hair. I mean, duh, that's what you need in the fall. That's what you need actually all year to seal in the moisture in your hair. So I wanted to get you guys this awesome product from a company called Tropical Isle Living. This is a Jamaican black castor hair growth oil. Also, an oil like this, you guys, is going to not only seal in the moisture in your hair to help your hair become more healthy and resilient, but also it's going to look nice. You want to use oil on your hair to give it that sheen and that glossy finish. I find that using oils versus oil sprays and sheen sprays is going to have a longer lasting effect and also just be overall better for your hair. So you'll never really see me using a lot of sheen sprays on my hair. You'll always see me using oil if I want to get that nice sheen, which is what I've actually used on my hair today because I do not play around with my slick back ponytails, you guys. I have to have it just right. And putting an oil like this as a finisher after you've already put your gel or your edge control product, finishing it off on top with an oil like this is going to give you those results, that wavy look, that shiny, polished hairstyle. I also found it interesting that a product like this, and you can read the back, you guys who got the box, and read their story, they are actually the originators of the Jamaican black castor oil product. Okay, that's their claim to fame, that they actually originated, they introduced this concept. So I found that to be really interesting and pretty cool. And last but not least, in the box, you guys, you are going to get a vegan treat, okay? I always try to include something cool and new and a little bit under the radar when it comes to vegan snacks because I feel like there simply just aren't enough being promoted on the market. So I like to do my part in shedding light on really cool vegan snacks. So you guys are going to get one of either of these flavors. I did want to include a variety so that you guys can really get a feel for all that's available from True Women. So you guys are either going to get the OO cookie dough one or the Smother Fudger peanut butter. These snacks are really awesome because all of them are 200 calories or less and you get a full 12 grams of protein, honey. These products contain no gluten, no sugar alcohols, no dairy, no soy. They are 100% plant fueled. Super awesome, you guys. And and they have a ton of really fun flavors. There is this Zam Good Zesty Lemon one. There is the Daydreaming About Donuts. So many flavors, so make sure that you guys do check out their website. So awesome, you guys, that these are low-calorie snacks that are also vegan to help align with your nutritional goals. Don't you love when snacks align with your fitness goals? I love when snacks do that. So you guys, that is it for this month's favorites box. As you can see, it was kind of lit, okay? It was filled with a variety of items to make your fall better and more enjoyable. So I hope that you guys do enjoy. Huge thank you to everyone who has already subscribed, and also a thank you to you guys who just simply watch these videos. Thank you for supporting me. Your support enables me to keep going on my channel. Your support helps to fund this channel, and I want you guys to know that I appreciate you. And to show my appreciation even more, you guys, we are coming up on the 1-year anniversary of my Faves by Miss Vaughn subscription box. I cannot even believe that we are almost at the 1-year mark. I have been working really hard behind the scenes with my team, and you guys have been hugely supportive on the front end of this, and so I love you guys for that. I appreciate you so much. Without you, none of this would be possible. So I want to make this kind of a gifting season as we lead up to the 1-year anniversary of my subscription box. So the 1-year anniversary is in November, and I do have a box going out in November. It's a beautiful box. It's all about celebration. It's super cute. I designed it, of course. It's all black, and it's got confetti on it, and it's got the word 1 written right across the lid so that you guys know it's the 1-year anniversary. And inside is going to be pretty much a summary of all of the greatest things from 2018 that I have enjoyed. So it's going to be like my favorites on steroids. And starting with the gift giving, we're gonna start with this September box. All of you guys who received a box and you want to post your reaction to the box, or you want to post your favorite items, or you just want to post a picture of what was in your box just to kind of show it off to your friends, and using that hashtag MyFavesBox and tag at least 5 of your closest friends to it. I'm going to be choosing my top 5 favorite posts, and I'm going to be sending you guys a box of mystery goodies. I have a ton of products that I get all year long, you guys, from companies who want to get into my subscription box, PR packages from companies who want me to try their products, gifts from companies, all kinds of stuff. I have a ton of items that I want to give to you guys. So I'm going to be creating 5 huge, beautiful gift packages for 5 of you who post using the hashtag MyFavesBox. So it's pretty much like getting 2 subscription boxes for the price of 1. Each of them are gonna be filled to capacity with full-size products, you can guarantee that. And I'm also going to include a personal thank you note. So to increase your chances of winning this huge, awesome prize, the more you post, the better your chances, because I'm just gonna be pretty much clicking on that hashtag and scrolling through and selecting my favorite posts. So the more you post, the better. But remember, you have to use the hashtag MyFavesBox, and you have to tag 5 of your friends to that post. So ready, set, go. I'm gonna be choosing winners all month long, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing with my November box. So if you guys have not signed up for my November Faves box, do it now. You guys, you will not regret it. I assure you, it's going to be lit. As you guys can see, these boxes are getting better. Every time I post a unboxing video like this and you guys support it and watch it and share it with your friends, it brings the attention of more brands. I get more quality items to put in these boxes, and we all win. Even though the value of my box is going to continue to increase, the price will always stay the same, and it will always be free shipping. So that's my promise to you guys, and I thank you so much again for watching this video and supporting my creative initiatives, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yo, 1 glass of Patron just smashed in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerheads get blown.